Alright, guys, I'll tell you something about the cycle of America, how people work. So, let's say someone is driving a taxi. Actually, it happened with one of the friends also. It used to be in New Jersey. So, he was having one taxi. Okay, first he came to this country, then he started driving taxi for someone else. So, he drove taxi for someone else for 2 years, and then he bought his own taxi. Same thing is true for trucks. The same thing is true for restaurants. Number could be here. I'll tell you what number will be different. But you'll see in the video. It could be different. 7-Eleven also same thing. So what he did is he made a lot of money. He was making $10,000 to $12,000 per month, driving taxi, or driving truck, or having to have a 7-Eleven of his own, or having Indian store of his own, or having Indian restaurant of his own. In all the cases, he will be making this kind of money, $10,000 to $12,000 to $15,000 a month. Right? So far so good. Then he thought, why don't I hire a driver and have a taxi? And basically, so he was having owner operator. He was having one taxi of his own, and one taxi was run by someone else. So far so good. He made some extra income. Then he basically bought 5 taxis and gave it to 5 people, and then was only managing. So this is my central idea of this business, of this whole. When he was owning 5 taxis and taxi drivers were driving it, then his total profit, and he was only managing it, then his total profit was equal to the same amount that he would be getting when he was driving taxi himself. That's the thing, right? That's why you watch my CSF videos, right? Because I'm telling you certain hidden things which nobody knows. You will spend a lot of time, trying different things. You'll waste your time, and this will work. So you will be so busy in managing those 5 taxis, you won't be able to create another pool of 5 taxis, so that your income becomes double. Doctor also same thing. If he opens 5 clinics, he'll be so busy managing those 5 clinics that he won't be able to make a lot of money. Only time when he will make some extra money is when he has one taxi that he is driving himself, when he has one restaurant which is running himself, in which he is the chef himself, and one more restaurant which are run by someone else. Same for motel. One motel that is running by himself, one motel that is run by someone else. That is, he found a driver. Same thing for truck driving. He will be able to drive one truck for himself and one truck by someone else. Soon he will realize even in that second truck there is a lot of work, and he will leave that. Now, talking about the cycle, the taxi guy, after he had 5 taxis, he saw that the headache was so much and uncertainty increased and the money was not good. He called it headaches. Management issues as headaches. Those are management issues, which is what I have resolved by using my CEO process outsourcing. We'll talk about that later. This is about what the issue. So he started then driving the taxi himself. Same happens with truck drivers. They started driving the truck himself, and then they let go of the second truck also. Same happens with restaurant people. They will start driving first restaurant, and then they'll start giving, and they'll sell off the second restaurant. Same happens for clinics. Same happens for all these businesses. These are all job businesses, in which you have to do yourself. If you try to scale it, you will not be able to scale it. You can keep making your $12,000 or $15,000, start enjoying your life. That's my CSF principle. Start living your life. Don't think I'll save money and then invest here, invest there, buy 20 taxis, try 100 taxis. Okay? Don't ask me how Yellow Cab has 250 taxis. Don't ask me this stupid question. You can never be that. I will tell you how those businesses operate. Okay? One day. But the formula that you use, that you will, because you're making so much money, $12,000 to $15,000, you can easily buy 20 taxis on the very first day. If it was that simple. Because money is so coming from bank. Bank will easily. I have bought $0 down payment bank cars. It's very easy. But you won't be able to run the business. Drivers will eat you up. You will be like, oh, I was a good driver. Yes, you were a good driver. But not everybody is good. Eventually, and you also, when you were a driver, you must have created certain problems which you do not know, which only the owner of the taxi back then knows. So you will never be able to scale this business, And that's why 7-Eleven also. You will not see a person who has one 7-Eleven easily. He can easily buy 30 7-Elevens in 2-3 years. If it comes only to money and down payment and the thing. But he won't be able to. Because it will be hard for him to run. And eventually he'll be better off just running it himself. That's what they do. Some people say, oh no, I'm not. I had a friend he's so dumb and foolish. He said, oh, I don't go to pizza store myself. I never go there. Eventually, as it came out, his son was going there. अरे बेवकूफ़ बंदे, अगर तेरा बेटा वहाँ जा रहा है एक ही बात है ना. मैंने तो पहले बता दिया, हर बंदे का जो घर में है, बच्चा भी, बड़ा बच्चा, हस्बैंड वाइफ, कोई मम्मी डैडी भी है, उनके 10-10, 12-12 हज़ार डॉलर पर मंथ लिखे हुए हैं पर पर्सन. मैंने बोला है, वो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. वो तो आप ही हो गए ना. बड़ी बात है आपने एक्चुअली प्रोफेशनल किसी बंदे को हायर किया और उससे सारा काम करवाया. वो नहीं आप कभी कर पाओगे. बेच के खाने वाले लोग बैठे हैं आपको, वो बस मैनेज ही नहीं होगा आपसे. सो आई एम येट टू अप्लाई माई CPO प्रिंसिपल्स टू समथिंग लाइक सबवे. अच्छा, सबवे में नंबर 7 है. व्हेन यू रन द सबवे योरसेल्फ एंड देन you can, then you make the same amount of money as you make with 7 subways. And headache is very weird because nothing is in your own hand, right? It gives you a lot of headache. कहीं पे कुछ नुकसान हो रहा है, कहीं पे कुछ नुकसान हो रहा है. You get a lot of headache. So yeah, that's the point, guys. All right, guys. Just wanted to let you guys know that running these job businesses, with trying to scale these job businesses is extremely difficult. Thank you.